Good morning. How we doing, chat? Myself? Yeah. Hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello. 1, 2. I messed something up on my thing and I don't hear myself. Hope you guys can hear me. Hopefully the mic sounds okay because I'm not sure if I changed something. But good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Let's get into it. Trading new TPT pros, 150Ks for now. We'll see how it goes. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Did not do the ORB. Did not even look at the charts till now. Selling off pretty heavy, so just gonna be patient. Good morning, Miss K. I gotta get my accounts up here. I'm gonna look for a reversal eventually, but I just hate that I can't hear myself. I don't know what I changed. Hello? So weird. Does the mic sound okay though? That guy must have pressed something on my mixer and I don't know what. And that was a huge candle. Damn. 1 minute candle at the open, straight dump. I mean, that would have been a super easy ORB. Of course, when I don't do it. Assuming that it went straight down. I mean, could have just bounced around and stopped me out, but let's see on the 30-second. Yeah, it looks straight down. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I had one of my favorite weekends of the year so far. A great time. The stream's not gonna be too long. I have some guests visiting today, so we gotta hit those likes because we gotta give away a bunch of TPT accounts. Today is the last day of the sale, so today's the accounts that gave me to give away for this promo, I have to give them away by today. I do have a couple other TPT accounts that are either close or we gotta just flip. Like this one, I just gotta flip it. I think we're at consistency. I just gotta flip it. And I have another one on Trade-Evate, so we should be at 4 pro accounts. I have not taken the trade yet. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting for like some kind of bottom. I think it's gonna be easier than trying to catch. Right now, glad I'm staying away. Because damn, weakness is real. I guess I could try to figure out why I can't hear myself. What could be the issue here? Is there any settings? I mean, everything's plugged in. Like, I could hear the music. Yeah, the music is playing. Wow. Anyone short on this? Is there some kind of news, by the way? We're in the 28,000s again on the NQ. We've missed you. I mean, an absolute meltdown. 50-minute opening range is 275 points. That is a big opening range. If I do catch a reversal, I really hope that it's going to be a nice one. It'll be a great start on these brand new pro accounts. What's my streaming setup? I use a Rodecaster Duo with a I have a picture of my setup if you guys want to see, or I could take one now. Hasn't really changed over the last few years. FS Trades, welcome to the club. Alpine member club. We're gonna do a giveaway for members only first, maybe even two. But the big difference today is there's gonna be a winner. Oh, sorry, I have one big thing here. That was from Nutty's. That was from Nutty's thing. One big difference today is that we're gonna give away multiple accounts to one person. Might be two, might be three accounts. It is just very hard to keep up with emails and stuff. I prefer to spread out the giveaways, but since today we have to do a bunch, I think giving them away to one person is gonna be a cool little change. Maybe we'll do that for the members giveaway. Or I just gotta post the Discord link. If people just DM me in the Discord, it would be so much easier. All right, but we're getting a bounce. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Let's see what we could do. I don't really use my Discord much, but I feel like maybe we should again. You're long. Good luck. Like your name, Razer Keyboard. It's not really the way to do it, but let's see if something lines up here. I need to see it pull back. See if 980s hold or 990s. Thinking about it. Let's see, 980s testing. See if it could put in a higher low here. I'm just waiting for a confirmation right now. It's still tough to determine whether it's gonna bounce or not. Could just be making another move like this, which I wouldn't mind. Another leg down, one more leg down, I think would be pretty sweet. Since I'm not in it, of course. So far it held, but don't want to be too early. Yeah, I don't want to be early. I want to kind of just give it some time, and there's gonna be if there's gonna be a bounce, there's gonna be an opportunity. It doesn't need there's a bounce, there's gonna be a pullback and 50% retracement to 80 or 20, and it's gonna be fine. But I mean, right now at 980 it is somewhat holding. It's crazy because if I stop, enter 980 and I stop below the lows, that's still $600 loss. Minis are definitely tough. Here's the retest of the lows. Yeah, I mean, absolute meltdown. There's gonna be a lot of blown accounts say if people are buying too early. Be careful, guys. Not only is it a meltdown, but it's also very volatile. Or volatile. Which is the proper way? Volatile or volatile? Okay, but I rejected to go lower. A little stop hunt at the lows. Polska. What a game on Saturday. I mean, Lewandowski didn't really play a lot, which was a shame. All right, so we got some sort of structure here. When DJ an event like that, do they tell you what kind of music to play? No, but it's a lot of Polish music. It's a Polish heritage night, so it's like, imagine doing a Mexican heritage night. What kind of music would you play? But I mixed it up. It was fun. I got posted on the Red Bulls page. Posted on Instagram, or Twitter, I should say. I just need a sponsorship and we're good. Okay, let's see, can we break out? Can we finally break out here? Over 930s, and then I just wish there was some kind of, if the low was at like 920s, I would have probably taken that double bottom, but since there wasn't anywhere, I did try to What do you think about TPT promo? They try to catch Lucid. I don't know if they're I think Lucid is still behind on TPT, but Lucid is good too. But yeah, the 3 days might be because of like Lucid and Tradeify. The 50%, they've done that before, so it's not like they don't do it often, but they do it, so it's like once in a while. But the 3 days, I think, is because of other props potentially, but I don't know how that's going to affect them with their resets. That's what I'm nervous about. I'm nervous that now people are not going to reset pro accounts. My biggest indicator in taking in trade is structure, candlesticks, patterns. I usually don't do well on these days. These are my worst days, so I'm trying to be patient here. Like I don't short, so I've been getting killed on double bottoms, because like when it comes to double bottoms, like I never know Okay, I could get potentially a trade here soon. I never know when to take it, because when I take it, this is what happens. Like the double bottom just doesn't work, and it's just like, I never know. Maybe after 2 legs down, you take it, because if you, it looks like if you take this, not quite. This is much shorter leg. Okay, now we could get actually I could have bought that. That retested 50%. Let's see if it holds. Might buy this. I'm in. Getting volatile. The 10 o'clock news now, right? I'm not used to trading this big size either. Been trading micros. Can we make a new leg higher though? Probably not. The new look of Bolnox reminds me of CFD props and AI based websites. I don't know why, but gonna have to stop out here, unfortunately. Again, jump the gun. I jumped the gun there. Stop one. Still kind of holding up, of course. See, I stop out. It never makes sense to stop out. That's why I hesitate to stop out. I'd rather just be wrong completely, because now it's like, now the trade's ruined, so we have to like add to it to make back the loss. I mean, it's an absolute joke, but we'll do our best. Going for a bigger win here anyway, because I want to catch this reversal. What car are you talking about? How much is how long is the 50% promo? Well, it ends today, but it's been like a week or so. Man, this trade is tough. We can't break out. Like if we broke out, I think it would be very easy to add to it, but right now we're just stuck in this. Now we're stuck here, and it's like, it's the worst position to be in. Yep, and we got some news. Unbelievable. Just can't find a way to trade bearish markets. These hold, probably will not. Going for new lows. Account's gonna be blown. Fuck. I just can't find a way to trade bearish markets. Every time I try, it does something different. Next trade, we're gonna have to wait for a full reversal before I take a trade. So volatile, it's crazy. Can't react to candles, gotta just I mean, I said it before. I just can't trade bearish markets. It does not work for me. Like, I gotta be just careful. The best I could do is just be careful. So when we copy trade, that's gonna be a big issue. On account's fine, but we're trying to find something to make it work so I could copy trade. This is making new lows. The way it's failing to go higher, I guess. I'll leave this one contract on, and if we decide to go higher, then I'll look to add and then make the loss back, but I doubt it. Yeah, I was thinking about green, chalk, or orange. Green is a very Aston Martin color, so it's like not unique. I wanted something different. I love it. Very bright. Did I send the account you won on last Friday? Yes, I think I did. Let me know if you didn't get it. TPT, right? That's why, Arky, that's why I'm not gonna do like big giveaways like that anymore ever again until I figure something out. Because I can't keep track. It's impossible. So just let me know if you send me an email again, because now I don't know your email or anything like that. So I could take a look if I sent it to you or if I didn't. I might have missed it. That's why today is gonna be a lucky person to win probably 3. You don't have an email with. Oh no, that was Cam. Damn, guys, I don't know. I sent all the emails. I don't know. That's, you guys have to email me again. All right, well, that's a lesson. That's the last time we're doing that kind of giveaway. Did I send the wrong emails? I sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 emails on Friday. So 7 accounts were given away on Friday. 2 TPT, and then we did Apex as well. Let me see how many accounts we have left. Today is gonna be a fun day, guys. One person is gonna win. Let's see how many. Okay, we don't have that many left. Okay, one person is gonna win 3 accounts. Luminary, I can't. Try. You want to be my secretary and keep up with the emails? Good luck. It's impossible to keep up with the emails. People are not here half the time. People are not here half the time. Guys, here's number 1 rule. When you win a giveaway on stream, don't just send an email. The streamer has no idea who you are. You have to include your streaming name. Okay, that's another thing. Never send an email without who you are, because your name never matches, or usually doesn't match, the email address. Just also. Okay, so I got your email. Let me see if I sent your email. Okay, your email I got, it was not sent. Okay. Okay, Macro, I got you. And then Arky just sent me an email, and then I'll send those over right now. How to enter? We're gonna do entry at some point once we hit 100 likes. I would love to spread the love, but it's impossible. See what's happening? Like, people are not getting their accounts. It's cool that someone's gonna win 3 accounts. I think that's like actually a better prize anyway. One person's gonna get 3 and they're gonna be happy. So there's gonna be 2 winners today. 2 winners. Maybe eventually I'll code. I started building a website with a friend of mine when he was here. We never got to finish it, and then we haven't worked on it. I need to make the giveaways automated. Otherwise it's not gonna work. But I don't have that many accounts to give away. Now that there's a couple people that were missing, I don't have that many accounts to give away anyway. I thought I had more, but we don't. We gave out a lot. No, yeah, we use Claude. Jimmy, you'll see how to enter. We're not entering right now. Jimmy, it's not your first time in the chat. I've seen your name before. We're about to lose this account if it goes lower. No, you're good. I'm just saying, Jimmy, you'll see how to enter. It's instructions will be given. Wild turkey. A little early. A little early. Well, you're from Canada, so you don't have Turkey Day, do you? First time here, welcome. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and good luck on the giveaway when we do it later. I don't know what time yet. I'll find out soon. I need a higher low, and then a higher high, and then I could look for a pullback to add. Right now, the market is so bearish that longing is very dangerous. You're pretty much trying to find the bottom. So I thought I was waiting patiently for some kind of reversal, but I was still early. Let's see if we could hold this low and not break it and then form some kind of... I mean, the worst thing would be a range right now because I'm at the top of the range with the initial entry. This would be the worst part right now, the range. Yes, that's why we're gonna have two winners today. The Member Monday, so we're gonna do a giveaway for members only, and then we're gonna do a giveaway for everyone just because of TPT's rule that I have to give the account away today. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it. See if it could go any higher. I have guests coming by. I don't know if you guys ever see Bella in the chat, but Bella's coming by. She'll be here. Bad long say. Oh yes, very bad. There she is. Bella family, pretty much. Bella and David. I don't know how much I spent. I didn't calculate. I was supposed to calculate at the end of June, but then I never did. I can show you what I spent last year. I don't calculate my expenses month-to-month basis. I feel like that just adds an extra. But remember, I get a lot of free accounts too, so my costs could be a lot lower. Like with TPT, like unless I'm funded, I don't really spend that much. Unless I reset, then obviously. But like all the accounts I have with TPT are the free accounts. I have 5 of them. The one I must have The 25K I must have paid for, because I don't get 25K accounts for free. But the 50K and the 150K, I get 5 of them a month. Sometimes I give them away if I don't need them, but I pay activation fee on them, so it's $130 once I get funded. But if I'm not funded, if it's an eval, then I don't spend anything. So it's like the partnership with TPT. Pretty cool. Are the free accounts as an affiliate better than the revenue it brings? No, not even close. You don't get the free accounts if you don't have revenue. That's how it works. It actually works by revenue. So the more revenue you make for them, the more free accounts you get. Come on, let's make a higher low and let's just make a higher high finally. Let's just go higher. It's like the base is set. I think it could definitely go higher from here. A lot of volume on this little range here between 29,000 and 28,950. ES Bull Forever. It does not translate the same. So the viewership versus your affiliate has nothing to do with one another. It's all about how many royal viewers you have that use your code. I probably make a lot more for like 150 viewers on average than a new streamer with 150 viewers would make. All right, let's see. Finally getting it. Finally slowly getting it. There's another person I missed on Friday. Jeez. How many accounts did I give away on Friday? Galen, I got your email too, so I'll send that over. Crazy. But YouTube is worth it, even if it pays for your accounts, like an eval or a couple evals. But the thing is, a lot of people that are doing YouTube, do it for money. Okay, and that's where the difficulty comes in, because when you do it for money, you're expecting to get paid, and then it just doesn't translate. You have to do it because you like it. You won on Monday. Hold on, maybe your email was... Hold on, I thought I sent it. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I didn't. I did. I sent your account. Oh no, I didn't. Because I had a draft email. Yeah, I'll send that over now. Okay, I added back in on the 50% pullback. See if it holds. Still in this range though, so it's kind of like dangerous. What about those whom stream during New York, Asia, and the weekends? What do you mean? Like, you see people on Instagram have thousands and hundreds of thousands of views, and they don't make anywhere near as much as I do in affiliate. It just doesn't always translate the same. I also don't make the same amount of affiliate on all prop firms, right? Like TPT is my number one, Apex is my number two, or vice versa, depending on the sales. And then Lucid and Tradeify are kind of even. Lucid's a little bit better. And then Bullnox, Phidias, I don't make much. So it's like, it's hard to say. IQ Capital? No, I've never heard of that. MFF is very strict with who they work with now. They don't like a lot of affiliates, so if you weren't making enough with MMF, then or MFF, then you got kicked. I declined their partnership a long time ago, back in 2023, so I never was on a good page with them. Not with the owner, but the affiliate manager back then. He did not like that I declined the sponsorship from them. I didn't want to be exclusive with anyone, so. Top Step also reached out to me back in the day. Be exclusive. And now you have all these little firms trying to get promotions. So I could, I could promote them, but that's what's hard about the new firms is the reputation of new firms is not good because of all the, all the new firms that failed recently. Like as a streamer, I don't want to take that on. And then they don't get a lot of exposure. Therefore, they can't survive. Everyone that says, oh, prop firms shouldn't use affiliates. They should just, keep their revenue and whatnot. Save it for the traders. They have no idea how marketing works. All right, can we go? Can we go? This 29,036 was it? 38. That needs to break. And then we could look to add one more contract and then hopefully make like half of the buffer. We'll be in good shape if it reverses, but if it doesn't reverse, then I'll be in bad shape. Like if we could get up to like this area here and then buy the pullback at these highs or at 29.20, that would be great. I like squirrels. Let me send those. I'm gonna send those 2 accounts now, so hopefully you guys get them soon. I bet you, yeah, see, like yeah, a lot of times these messages get stuck in spam. We're back to green. But you said, hope it works out this time, but I have no idea who you are. So I'm assuming. That's Arky. Take the partial. No, not yet. We're just starting the reversal. Is there a giveaway today? Yes, there is. There's going to be 2 giveaways today. One person is going to get either 2 or 3 accounts. I'm not sure yet. I got to calculate how many accounts we have left. Well, just send me I need your TPT address. That's what I need. So just send me an email with your TPT email. I'll take one off at 60. If it gets there. Then I'll rebuy it at 20. You ever get the Apex inactivity email? Yeah, from Tradeovate. I did. Okay, I'm not gonna fight for a couple cents. All right, got it. All right, I'm gonna send that over now. I hate Gmail, how it like it's so out of sync. See, guys, good thing I didn't take a partial. Look down here. Good thing I waited. Because I might get out full now. I want to make half the buffer, though. I want to make half the buffer. But remember, we got trailing drawdown, too, so... $80 would have been perfect exit, to be honest. I think... I don't want to get back trailing drawdown. Dzień dobry. All right, so I'm all out there for now, and we're gonna rebuy it. Hopefully. Okay, we caught the reversal. We were a little early, but we caught it. See, with the smaller account, I would have blown out. Oh wait, I did send your email. On Wednesday and Thursday morning. And he's not in here. See how strong it's gonna be now, though. I fixed the camera, I think. Let me know if it's any issues. Kind of made the lighting a little bit better, I think. Wow, what a squeeze now. That's kind of what I was hoping I wouldn't do, but... Yeah, you should have received the account on Thursday. No, it's not in the email. You log into Take Profit Trader and you go to checkout and you go to your credits. I don't want to buy this 50% pullback on an eval, maybe. I'll buy this on an eval just in case. Just in case it does exactly that. Yeah, when you guys win the TPT account, it's not an email. It's literally in your credit bank. See if we could get to 120 now. I'd rather see a pullback, to be honest. I could get in on the funded again on the pro account. This is on an eval right now. More of a risky entry, but this could just, it looks like it's just gonna go higher now. %50 pullback. I mean, it's Rich. I need to send an account to Rich because Rich literally put this on my map, and then it's been great. Wow. Wow, I sold way too soon on the pro account here. That's what I didn't want to do. I didn't want to just like get out too soon because that was such a risky trade. And so we risked so much to make only 1,500, which is not good. But I guess I was down so much that it was hard to make a lot more. Yeah, it's 50% retracement of the breakout. Especially if it matches with 80 or 20, it's even better. I just don't know if this is like a bounce and it's gonna go back down, or if this is actually gonna see like it almost touched the 50% right there. Okay, I'm gonna, oh yeah, this is the pro. Okay, let's delete all the levels and see what we can find. Yeah, that would be ideal. I don't think we're gonna pull back that much. Rich, don't laugh. I still can't understand why I can't hear myself on the headphones. Like, what did I change? On my mixer that I can't hear the headphones. What's the settings? I go to settings, and I go to outputs, headphones. Okay. Listen. Okay. That doesn't work. I don't know. I really don't know what I did. I'm gonna have to like fully redo this, otherwise. Full mix. It says I'm getting the main mix in my headphones, and I'm not. Yep. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I wish they would email you when the account's transferred, because it's emailed to me. I get a notification when they transfer it, but all right, looks like the pullback is going to work and it's going to be just fine. Fortunately, I did not take it on the funded account. AJ, thank you. Appreciate that. Good luck with it. Bullnox is fun. I like Bullnox. Nothing's like TPT, and hopefully Lucid I could get on board with Lucid. That's like my main focus is just daily payout accounts, but daily payout accounts are not anything different unless they're at buffer. And getting to that buffer is the hard part. And oftentimes when you get to a buffer on any account, you're getting a payout. The difference is that on a daily payout account, you could do it in 1 or 2 days, versus the other accounts, you got to take, 5 to 10 days. But in reality, which approach should we take anyway? Going for a $4,500 day on TPT is very hard for me. I mean, I could have done it on this trade. It just had to line up better. It did not. Philip says he traded for micros for months and spin his wheels, couldn't get anywhere. Now he's going for higher risk in minis and only focus on A+ setups, and the payouts keep coming. That's awesome. Congrats on that. What's your favorite prop firm? And then Visual is asking me, with only 5 accounts now on Bull Locks, is it still one of my favorite, especially with their payout rules? I've never had more than 5 Bull Locks accounts at once. I've not tried the new accounts yet with Bull Locks. The old ones, the reason why I like Bull Locks so much is because of the cheap eval, easy to pass, and the rules are simple to get to a payout, but the payout structure is not that favorable until you get to uncapped payouts, and getting there is difficult. Uncapped payouts on Bull Locks is where it's at. No, I can't wait for lunch. I'm starving. I didn't eat. Yeah, hit that like button, guys. We need to get to 100 likes so we could do a members giveaway, and then we'll do a second giveaway for everyone. Can we trade gold? Yes, you can trade gold with anyone. Yeah, at this time it's I get you, Rich. It's kind of like but what's your target? Like, do you look for a continuation, or do you just look for a scalp of that 50% retracement? I mean, looks like it's getting top heavy now. The music's a little loud, I just noticed. Maybe that was... Yeah, I just lowered it. Yeah, it's getting a little heavy now. Oh, let's go. Red Bulls just liked my tweet. We made it, chat. We made it. Now we just need a sponsorship. Red Bulls made the like, not Red Bull. The New York Red Bulls. Go, go, go. Warner, the account will be transferred over to your dashboard. It will not be sent to your email. So it has to be to you, and you have to have an account. Someone did say they didn't have an account with TPT and that I could send it to their friend, but I just ignored that. That's not how it goes. Do I know anyone that has been transitioned to live accounts on Apex? Yes. The live account's not that good though. And we need a pullback. We need a healthy pullback. If a trader wants to start streaming their trades, would you recommend it? Yeah. There's been at least like 5 or 6 channels because of me, because I used to always push it. I used to say, this was my like spiel when I used to get a lot more viewers and stuff, and streaming wasn't as popular yet for trading futures. Basically, I used to say, if you're trading at home and you're not trading at work, you don't have, things to worry about, and you actually have time, when you're trading, you could actually stream, then do it. There's really no reason not to, unless you just hate being in front of the camera and talk on the mic, which it's not for everyone, but you get used to it. And you're gonna start with having 5-10 viewers, so you have a small audience. So it's just, as things grow, you just get used to it more. Like, I would not want to have an audience with 3,000 people right now. Cam, yes, your email was not registered with TPT. They told me that. So your account was not transferred. Wow. So much volatile movement in the first half hour, and then just complete dead. Well, I guess this bounce wasn't bad. I could have made so much on this bounce. That's the thing. Like, you just have to take advantage of that one trade. I just didn't. I was down too much. Make $1,500 is not bad, but it's because I was down so much. Technically, I made $1,500 right there. Lost $460 right there. Lost $280 right there. And I made like 7:55 there. So I mean, you gotta enjoy streaming. Otherwise, if you don't want to do it, then you're not gonna survive, and you're not gonna stick to it because you're not gonna make money for months. The reality, unless you do something very unique and you're very good at marketing and content, then you're not gonna get the traction. There's some new streams that automatically blow up because they just studied YouTube and they know how to grow it, and they put out the right content. You could use ICT concepts as a start. It usually does get the most views. Could get a 20 bounce, hopefully. That's what I would want. All right, it's time for a members giveaway, though. We got to do a members giveaway because then we're not going to have time to do the main one. So today's Member Monday. That means on Mondays, we give away accounts for members only. So if you're not green in the chat, you're not a member, so you can't participate on Mondays. But we're going to do 2 giveaways today. So don't worry, there will be a giveaway for everyone as well. But if you type Alpine and you're not a member, you automatically get disqualified for the next one. See? Green. Green. Wow, we're on the streak. 4 members in a row. 5, 6, 7. Oh, Trader NQ blew it. Trader NQ blew the streak. I think Trader NQ might have been a member before. Yeah, this is for only members. Member Monday. That's what that means. Okay, I'm in. When are you running the giveaway? I'm doing it right now. We're gonna do another giveaway though. Isma, we're gonna do one more giveaway after that. So that's gonna be for everyone. So don't worry. You'll still be able to participate later. Let's say if I could get like $600-700 out of this bounce. I don't know if I trust this bounce. It's not doing what I wanted. Too slow. There he is. Isma's back. Thank you for your support. Wow, just got missed. You didn't get the Thursday comments. Did you send me an email? Yes, you did. Okay, let's see. Let me see if I sent your email to GPT. I did. Go to BC, go to your dashboard and go to checkout, and you're gonna see that there's an account in your dashboard. I just lost my Fund the Futures account due to inactivity the other day. I was like, oh, great. Yes, I'm trading only one account at a time because I'm using minis. Plus today is a bearish day, so on the bearish day, I don't want to risk too much. I didn't take my opening range trade today, so back to minis until we get to a buffer. I wasted so much time getting to the buffer with micros, and then I blew the account, so just wasting way too much time. Gotta get to the buffer ASAP, and then and then take my time with payouts. See if we can get this $500 right here. Should be able to. There we go. All right, so we're at $2,000, almost halfway to buffer. Again, 50% retracement worked perfect. It's probably gonna make new highs from that. Or not. Man, I want to play some more golf today. I don't know why. My game has like not been that great. I played decent rounds, but like I just could not hit the ball consistently. I can't play golf today. I have visitors coming. Maybe tomorrow. Then my parents are going on vacation on Friday, so we're doing a barbecue on Wednesday. And I have a crazy busy weekend. This weekend this week there will be no Friday stream. All right, 4 minutes and we'll do the member giveaway. Any other members in the chat? How is Nutty doing? Oh man. Oh, by the way, did I tell you guys I picked up my car? I didn't tell you. I picked up my car from the shop on Friday. Thing looks absolutely insane. I don't have it right now. It's at my brother's house. We gotta do an exhaust valve controller. Hopefully we get a good price action in September. It would be nice. I am looking for some payouts really bad. This has been an awful 3 months. But I think with the daily payouts now, I think it's just gonna get easier. So we just gotta get through it. Yeah, the car is orange. It's pretty nice. Very bright. I don't know why the quality is so bad on that. And the quality is so bad. Should be HD. It's not. All right, guys. Members, let's do a giveaway for you guys really quick. I think everyone is in. I think everyone is in. We got 20 members. We're gonna get you guys copied. I'm gonna go racing. If you get an Aston Martin in the race and you win, I'm gonna send you 2 accounts for members, okay? The member race is about to happen. This is for Member Monday. We do it every Monday, or we try to. And if you get an Aston Martin and you win, I'm gonna give you 2 accounts today. Oh yeah. Bucky, it's funny because I have a U-Haul storage. So that kind of reminds me of the storage unit. The doors are that orange. All right. I'm gonna shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right. So how many Astons do we have? We got 1, 2 Astons. Looks like Luminary is an Aston. And I don't know who this is. can't tell. Car number 1, 2, 3, 4. Car number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it might be FS Trades. I think it's FS Trades. All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Let's see. An Aston Martin gets you 2 accounts. So you already won a little bit. Now, can you double it? You chose to go for double or nothing. Miss K has that Bugatti life. Oh, she's been getting payouts, I guess. Isma in a R8. Gust in the Ferrari. Who's got a 911? Is there any 911s in here? All right, 35 seconds on the clock. I know it's an Acura that's going to win. Acura is definitely winning. Always does. We got Corey in a 911. Arky in a Bugatti as well down below. We got a 911 in the lead. Car number 19, orange 911. Can he hold on to it? Corey, can he do it? Oh, looks like Detonator with the R8. Let's go. He needs accounts. Thanks for all your support. Hope you're feeling better. All right, we're getting a rip here. We're getting a rip. Daddy won. All right. Your card type was an R8, if I remember correctly. All right, next giveaway will be for everyone, but it's gonna be one winner with 2 accounts because I don't think I could give away more than 2. I gotta figure out because again, so many people have told me they didn't get their accounts, but now they didn't know to check the dashboard, so I haven't tallied up how many accounts we could give away. The giveaway is not open yet. We're not doing it right now. We're gonna do like a rapid fire at some point. You must be present to win. So the form is a good idea, but at the same time it's not, because then a lot of times the person's not present. And I don't want, like, if we made the form and people, you know, realize they don't have to be here, they would just come to the stream, fill out the form, and leave. And we don't want that. Okay, we're going higher though. I have your email, I think, right? Yep, I got it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, we hit the target on the eval. What a rip. All right, now we buy a 50% pullback on this. And an 80 pullback. Could actually be news, but I don't know. See if I could get a quick scalp here. Are we gonna recover the whole entire move without a V-shaped reversal? It's just like a grind. I'm gonna try to send these giveaways that I was missing really quick. And then detonators, yours as well. Not seem like it's gonna be an easy one, but I'm gonna try to go for 10 points. This season. Yeah, I kind of miscalculated that. TPT's out of office till tomorrow, unfortunately. So the accounts will now be transferred today. Damn, I didn't get filled. Such a bummer. But we're gonna keep trying. We'll keep trying. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna get freaking fullback now. I would love to pass that third 150K. And I gotta check how much I need to flip. How are some streamers 250 300 PA accounts? Partnership. And back in the day, there was no one was getting banned back in the day. Back in the day was a different ball game. Back in the day, you could get a payout and close the account. So you could have a PA account, get it to a payout and close it. Take everything from 25K account. So you can't look at the numbers from that. But I've only had 1,000 evals. Well, maybe a little bit more. What a rip. What a rip, guys. I have FOMO now. Damn it. Wanted that entry so bad. Can't hesitate. I was hesitant too. Could have been a little bit more aggressive. It's crazy it's gonna recover the whole entire day. Damn. Could have made such progress today. Market's doing exactly what I want, except I'm not getting entries. And it's just like a double frustration. First, I was in too early, and now I'm trying to catch that trade and I just can't. I knew I shouldn't have gotten out early. I should have kept trading this. Right here at this 50% pullback, that was the re-entry, and I should have kept trading this, not scalp. It's not choppy. I think it's pretty clean. Unbelievable. We're going for the highs. Fuck. How we enter, guys? How do we enter this without getting killed? We need to pull back. We need to pull back. Otherwise, I gotta walk away. Gotta walk away. Otherwise, we're gonna chase the highs. I'm happy with $2,000 on one account. I was supposed to check how much do I need to pass this 50K. $3,446. So we need $46. This account. On this account, we need $46. $10 ticks. Go for 11 ticks to be safe. I'm just not in a good space with trading right now. Like I either get too early or I get FOMO. Like I'm not in a happy space. I haven't had a good result in a while. Just always something. Like I should have gotten this account to a buffer today. The way, in hindsight, the way price action was, I should have gotten it to a buffer. Been saying it from the beginning. I need to take advantage of the rebound, and I didn't. This is what makes the great, the best payout traders the best. They take advantage of these moves, of their setups, I should say. Doesn't have to be this, but they take it when there's opportunity. They take advantage of it. I don't. Me and Tim actually talked about that yesterday on stream, on the golf course. How it's so easy to tilt and blow the account, but when there's an opportunity, we don't take it. We hesitate, and could have made 10 grand on this account on this push today, right? If I kept just adding, scaling out, adding, but we're scared and we don't take advantage of it. Kind of. I have to just buy this because that was a 50% move there. All right, so we passed the third one, and then we have one more on trade of 8. And that should give us to 5 accounts, hopefully, if we pass this 150K one. We have to make $30 on the trade of 8 one. So Trade of 8 has a different ATM now. Looks different. All right. Passed the 25. I just needed to make $30. I made 50. We're just not getting 50% pullbacks. I think we're just getting very shallow pullbacks. So maybe we are. I'm just being too conservative. Because if I look, let's see. Yep, we're not getting 50% pullbacks. We're getting like just shy of it every time. That's why I keep missing entries. Yeah, it's too late now. Fuck. All right, day's over. Day's over. Not too bad though. Not too bad. $2,000 is progress. Oh fuck, so annoying. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Can't do much about it. Just gotta get better. Somehow, eventually, get better at it. I love to get to that payout on day one, but it's just so hard. Mentally, I'm not tilted. So if I was tilted, I would have worked out amazingly today. That's the thing. Why can I take advantage of the move? Like, this is like my biggest struggle in trading. Why can I take advantage of the big moves when they are there? Why do I try to go for the big moves when they're not there? Like, you guys see me go like and hold losers and whatnot. Today, once we broke out of this 36, we have not looked back. It's just every pullback's been holding, been held, and it just could not go lower. Take advantage. Keep buying the dips. Keep adding to a winner. This is how you scale up and you get that huge winner. V-shaped reversals are my favorite days. These are my days. These are my A+ days, and I still can't take advantage of it. I could scalp them and I'm green, but I can't take full advantage of it. But also, we've been just getting missed with the 20 entries and whatnot, so it's all good. Now it's too late. You could still retest the highs of the day, but at this point, give it one more chance here, and that's it. Like it's literally just pulling back. Like these little pullbacks, that's all we get. Right? And I should be buying those two. But those are better like down here. It was a tough day if you look at it. Like this was a scary move. This was a scary dip. If this would have just started hold right here, I think I would have done better. Remember, I was down like 2 grand as well, so. Okay, they'll be here at 12:30. So in a few minutes, we're gonna start the giveaway. FCB, good morning. So someone got denied on Phidias. I was just reading a tweet. Traffic. Traffic at this time? Shouldn't be traffic at this time. Oh my god, the OLED screen wants to turn off again. Unbelievable. Guys, never buy an OLED monitor for trading. Do not do it. It is an absolute disaster. So nano futures are live. Is my Samsung? No, it's GC. No, not GCI. Oh, what brand is this? MSI. It just turns off by itself. It has to clean, and I can't turn that off. So if you don't like do it ahead of time, which I don't, it will randomly do it. Like if I needed my monitor right now, let's say I had something very important to do right now and I didn't have other screens, I would not be able to use it. Like I could turn it back on now and in a few minutes it will turn back off. And I needed to give it like a few minutes. Doesn't even say how long, but I'm gonna get rid of the screen eventually. Isma, it's the cleaning mode. If you have an OLED screen, it has to clean itself to protect whatever the technology is. My TV does the same, but TV does it better because when I turn the TV off, that's when it does it. I don't turn off the monitor, so it never does it. Yeah, it doesn't turn off. It's cleaning itself. Protect mode, whatever it's called. I don't know if I should bother entering this trade because I gotta be done here in about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So, don't want to get stuck in this. And then we're gonna go get some lunch. I might get some pasta today. I kind of feel that. I barely ate all weekend. Scalper short. I can't on short markets. I just can't. Can't get myself to comfortably short. Might get entered here though. My round yesterday was not bad. I shot like 18 over, but we didn't take penalties. We played casual golf. I lost a couple balls in the rough. Like it was just like I didn't feel like looking for it type of thing. Like I knew the ball was there, but it's like all right, let's just drop. So I didn't take penalties for that, and then I think I re-teed 2 times. Yeah, this was a very nice course. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I'll show a picture I took of the bunkers. I'll show you guys once the screen is back on. And of course, see, this is what I'm saying. Like, why some days are so unlucky that we get missed on every single entry. Like, look at that. That would have been an easy scalp. Another $500-$600, and we fucking get missed by a few ticks. Oh, so frustrating, chat. It is so frustrating. Can't enter there now. Too late now. But I'll be right back, guys. Give me 2 seconds. Get some water. Let's see. Look at this. Looks like a wallpaper. I'm not even kidding. Like, look at this. Doesn't this look like a wallpaper? It's one of the nicest New Jersey courses. Maybe I'll set it as my wallpaper. That was me and Tim. We look like dads. Oh, it's so funny. All right, giveaway time, I think. 12:07. I think we do a giveaway here and simply... I guess we're just gonna do regular entries and... Hi chat, checking the camera. Looking sharp actually. I think I fixed it. The entry's not on yet. You guys are crazy. I guess I'm never gonna say that word ever again until I'm ready. Oh, so funny. You guys are so funny. Can't say the word giveaway on stream. It's very dangerous. All right, this is gonna be for 2 TPT accounts to 1 person. 1 person is going to win 2 TPT accounts. You are going to have 5 minutes to enter. Well, I'll let you guys type. You guys have fun with the typing, and then when you stop, I'll activate the giveaway. You just let me know when you stop. I'll be here. Carl, welcome to the club. The members will have a 4 times chance to win. We're just gonna do the drawing the old school way. So the members will have, maybe we'll just pick 10 people, we'll see. All right, giveaway is live. Now you could enter. If you've entered before, you're disqualified. We might go back to the old school way and do it with the raise that we pick 10 people. We'll pick 10 people for the race and go that way. Because I want to give members a special chance to enter, or I should say to win. Pine Tree Trader with a 5 gifted. Let's go. Appreciate you, Pine Tree. You should be, Pine Tree should be at my house too today, actually. Pine Tree Bella is gonna be at my house in about 15 minutes with David. Golfing today? No, I can't. Probably tomorrow. If you got a gifted from Pine Tree, say thank you. We got STFU, Marco, iTrades, Diddy, and Alexi. You guys now have a 4 times higher chance to win. Man, this market's still going higher. We just can't get that entry. Can't get that entry. If I was just scalping, I think I would have been better. Should have scalped some evals with Lucid. Oh. At 12:20, we're gonna start the giveaway. We're gonna probably pick 10 names. TPT Friday giveaway is at 50% target. Let's go. That's awesome. Go ahead, guys. Enter the giveaway. What did you miss? A huge V-shaped reversal? But you're here just in time for a giveaway. We're giving away 2 accounts. We're about to reclaim this. Unbelievable. What an opportunity today. What an opportunity. This buy right here was the chance, and I just wanted to scalp it, and I did, and I regret it. And I couldn't get another entry. I did get another entry actually on the eval, but that was not an easy entry. Oh no, that was bad. Streamlabs is not working. Oh shit, it's not. Sorry. I don't know why it stopped. Guys, enter the chat. Please enter the giveaway if you haven't gotten a ticket, because the thing was closed, I guess. Guess I had a timer on it and it expired before I realized. Give you guys a couple more minutes. Yeah, make sure you guys hit the like though, because we need more likes than entries. I don't know how you would do that, Gensify. Who wants to get 2 TPT accounts? I don't have much time, so we might just pick one person regular way, not with the race. Wow, we're about to hit the highs, guys. We are absolutely missing one of the best potential trading days. Why can't I take advantage? I am gonna be having FOMO for the rest of the day. How did I not take advantage of the best potential market? The only thing that's better than this is a huge range. But this gave so many potential trades, or just one big trade. And I just couldn't take advantage of it. I don't know. It looks good in hindsight, but when the market is doing a V-shaped reversal, I have to take advantage of it, because that's why, I always argue with people when they say, why are you not shorting? Why are you trying to go long? And it's because I want to catch this move. That's why I enter long sometimes too early. I want to catch this move, and that's my market. So if I get this market and I don't really take advantage of it, I mean, I had a decent day, but if I copy traded, it would have been a great day, but it's just tough. But when the market turns really bearish, these moves won't happen. It really knives 1,000 exactly, and I take big losses on those days, right? I take big losses on those days that when it doesn't turn. So when it does turn, I have to take advantage of it. And if I don't, I didn't do my job. Today was a day to get the 150K account to a buffer. It gave me the opportunity. I just scalped here. I don't know why. And then we just kept getting missed. I tried 3 or 4 times to buy the dip, and then we just couldn't get it. So it's a little frustrating, but again, we'll have FOMO for the day, and then tomorrow it's a new day, and we didn't lose today. We made some progress. Tyler, what's going on, bro? Gens 5 right now, I'm not interested. All right, guys, let's run this giveaway because I gotta go. About to hang out with Bella and David. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to trade these markets. No, right now it's not the right. The way you're typing in the chat, I just can't do that. All right, let's do I just traded one pro account. Tyler just sold it way too soon, and I just kept trying. I was down a little bit early though, so I was down like 2 grand. So I made back 4 grand, up 2 grand, and then that's it. Like I just can't find a way to overcome the fear on these days. These are my favorite days, but if I'm not in, if I miss it, it's like too late. And I kept trying to buy the dips, and I just kept missing me by a couple ticks. But here I think was a good opportunity, this area, to buy and hold a little longer. But it is what it is. I mean, tomorrow hopefully we'll get to a buffer. And then we take it slow. Trust me, if I was above the buffer and I was taking a $2,000 payout today, I would be very, very happy. So it's all relative, you know, like right now I'm not getting any payouts. So I want to make as much as possible to get to the payouts. But once I would be at payouts, this would be a great day. 2 grand in 2 hours. Can't complain. Yeah, I'm sure he's going to every channel. All right, giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. I'm closing the entries. We're just gonna pick one person randomly, guys, out of this group. Okay, no racing, none of that. This gives the members a 4 times higher chance to win because they have 4 tickets. So you see how there's 176 users, but 236 tickets. That's because the members have a 4 times the amount of tickets. If we do a race, they lose that extra entry. Why do you say scammer? All right, guys. Are you guys ready? This is for 2 TPT accounts to 1 person. We haven't done that in a long time. 2 50Ks to 1 person. So good luck. Hit that like button. You won't get the accounts till tomorrow, though. Just keeping that in mind. You will not get the accounts till tomorrow. All right. Drum roll, please. And the winner is... They must be present to win, of course. Techniques. Previous winner, actually. I'm pretty sure. There he is. Congrats, you are a winner of 2 TPT accounts. I think I have your email already. Yes. Is your email the same for TPT? Techniques won on December 11th. I have a pretty good memory. December 11th, he won an Apex account. And then he won in May of last year. Damn, 2 times. I have it in the email. When I typed their email. But I need to know if techniques, if that's your same email for TPT. All right, that concludes the giveaway for today. We'll do more giveaways tomorrow. Probably for Apex tomorrow. Have fun with Bella. Yes, we're gonna have some lunch. I'm starving. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. By Bella, you mean the SMB Capital Bella? No. No, Bella is one of the affiliate associates at Apex. Her and David. They're the ones that organize like everyone that goes to like the New York Stock Exchange. If you see anyone going there, we've had some meetups last year with Tanya, Lumi, Nutty was with us one time. Who else did I meet? There's a couple other people I met. Do we still trade Apex for new eval? Intraday and end of day. I'll do end of day. I'll do end of day, and I'm not gonna do the legacy anymore because with the legacy I learned that when you mix them up, it is hard to know which one's which. And then I hit the MAE rule on my accounts at this point. I don't really care, but all right, they're here. So that's gonna be it for the stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.